Hi and welcome to Curry Ventures. Today we are going to make a Thai red prawns curry with pumpkins and brinjals. Now the challenge is in making this exotic curry with whatever locally available ingredients are there or alternating some ingredients and try to make it as close as possible to the authentic Thai red curry. So let's get started with the main ingredients. Now these are 200 grams of prawns, cleaned and deveined prawns, the red pumpkin or the lal bhopra or kaddu cut in bite-sized pieces. Then we have the brinjal. I've cut them into half. These are very tiny brinjals, so I've just cut them into half and I'm soaking them in water. I've made some lemongrass water, which is nothing but lemongrass which I've boiled in water for 2-3 minutes, and then I have strained it into this glass. And instead of plain water or vegetable stock, I'm going to use this lemongrass water, so it will add a nice flavor of lemongrass to the curry. And instead of kaffir lime leaves, I'm going to use these lime leaves which are easily available here in India, and these are for my neighbor's garden, so I've dried them up and kept them, and I'm going to now soak them in water to rehydrate them so I can use them in the curry. Other veggies: yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, one finely chopped red onion, some coriander leaves with a bit of stock also. Found this red chili in the market, which I'm going to use to add some heat to the curry and also as a garnish. Very beautiful red chili. A teaspoon of garlic paste, soya sauce, and a tablespoon of jaggery, and some turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And of course, our three main ingredients: Thai red curry paste 50 grams, and I'm going to use pure coconut oil 50 milliliters, 2 cups of ready coconut milk, let's start cooking. In a thick bottom pan, I'm going to add coconut oil and then 2.5 tablespoon of red curry paste, a teaspoon of garlic paste, a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut milk to this to prevent this paste from burning, and it will fry very nicely in this. Adding the finely chopped onions, mixing in the paste, and I'm going to allow this to cook till it becomes soft. So the onions will take around 2 to 3 minutes to cook in the curry paste. Now I'm adding the red pumpkin pieces and mix them nicely. Adding the red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, now I'm going to add this lemongrass water to cook my vegetables. Finely chopped coriander leaves and stalk into the curry. Allow the vegetables to cook for 2-3 minutes, and then we'll add the brinjals in it. Give it a stir and allow it to simmer on medium flame. When your veggies are almost done, it is time to add your prawns. So here I am adding the prawns. Now I'm adding the first cup of coconut milk. This is around 200 ml. Adding the second cup of coconut milk, another 200 milliliters. I'm going to add these soaked lime leaves. They are as good as new, as many as possible to get the maximum aroma of lime. One tablespoon of soya sauce, a tablespoon of jaggery, this is the diced red chili which I had shown in the ingredients. I hope it gives some heat to the curry. Some salt as per your taste. Now allow the curry to simmer on medium to low heat till your vegetables and prawns are done. Now try not to cook your prawns for more than 5 to 6 minutes. And your Thai curry is now ready. Time to switch off the heat. Serve it with steaming hot rice. Garnish with coriander and red chili. Thanks for watching this video till the end, and if you have enjoyed watching this video, please give it a like. A thank you to all my subscribers for subscribing to my channel Curry Ventures. Thank you so much for your support. See you soon with my new Curry Ventures in my next video.